All right, the VIX index, looking at the weekly chart here, going back to 2018 where this uptrend started, it seems to me like it's almost non-arguable that this trend is broken. And, I mean, look at the underside retest and rejection, right? So off of almost going back to mid to late 2017 here. Pretty crazy. So this is implied volatility for the S&P 500. As price, just look at where the market's peaked, right? So usually at the bottom of these. So maybe this is even further evidence that the stock market is not ready to go down just yet. But when we get down here, right, the ends, it's happy times, right? Prices are going up, right? Seems like prices are going up as this volatility is dropping, but when you have a 5+ year trend and a new trend just starting, seemingly, right? That's pretty clear cut. This is pretty clear cut. It's hard to argue that trend has broken down and a new trend has started. So maybe this, looking back, right? So say the stock market wants to peak and crypto wants to peak in 2025. Maybe we kind of come down and rhyme with something down in here, right? So the lower we get here, the more anxious you should probably be getting. But this could take at least months or years to play out. But looking at this, seems like the new trend is this way. So nothing moves straight up or straight down, but something like this going into 2025, and then when we start to see something like this again, right? Likely the happy times are over, right? Just like this, happy times are over. Late 2017. Very big, but wouldn't surprise me if we do something like this. Rhyme or reason, right? Here's 2025, could be obviously earlier or later, but hello, that is about as textbook clear cut rejection off of a trend line as you could possibly get on the weekly, and these are closings, right? So that trend is done. This trend has started.